when learning how to work with the open source ecosystem, there's always the danger of getting lost, right? Um, because there's so much content online. Hence, it's very important to manage your expectations. And now I learned a good way to do this from Greg Wilson, like who pointed me to the concept of mental models. And this is important, like not only for my own expectations, but also the expectations I need to manage when I teach. And I would like to uh, show you this basic concept of a mental model. And the idea is basically that there is different levels of understanding. So if there is, imagine there is a rookie understanding. That rookie has a mental model. Let's say there is a couple of facts. These facts are blue dots, and those blue dots can be you can make connections in between those blue dots, and those connections, they can be correct or they can be wrong, like the wrong conclusion. And obviously, a rookie does some connections, and some of them may be wrong. And then there's the applied practitioner who updates that mental model, and they make connections, also mostly direct, straight connections between single lines. They won't have many wrong conclusions. No, they are not like connecting red and blue facts to each other. Um, their conclusions are mostly correct, but still very peer to peer, node to node. And then there is the expert mental model, where that looks more like a network. Like all those dots are connected, and they know, okay, when I'm in this situation at this dot, the fastest way to go directly to the situation on the other side of the screen, right? While like the applied practitioner, like the intermediate, they would have to go like from one dot to the next dot to the next dot to the next dot. They cannot like circumvent the entire thing and then go into the different situation. So that would be the difference between the expert and the intermediate user. And coming back to the open source ecosystem, I think it's important, like when you know your starting point, it's like, okay, to what degree do I want to update my mental model? At which point I'm happy, and let's say, okay, I want to be like a passive user for this type of tool. It's enough to like just make basic connections, or you want to like really do a deep dive because you need to teach. You are the one opinion leader. You're the one responsible in your group. You need a deeper understanding. Then you might want to lift your applied practitioner skills to the expert level and so on.